Have you ever touched something simple and wondered how many lives it quietly saved? A small bar of soap does not look powerful. It does not look like a weapon, a medicine, or a great invention. It sits beside a sink, silent and ordinary. But in history, some ordinary things have changed the fate of millions. This is the strange story of soap, a humble object that helped protect human life long before many people understood why. It is a story of dirt, disease, fear, discovery, and disbelief. It is also a story about how people can ignore the truth, even when the truth is right in their hands. Welcome to Arthur's History, where we learn English through powerful history stories. Here, every story helps you improve your listening, build your vocabulary, and understand the world in clear, natural English. Stay with me, because this story begins in a world that looked very different from ours. If you are new here, welcome. I am glad you are learning with us. And if this story helps you, you can subscribe and leave a comment with one new English word you learned today. And now, let us begin. Long before modern bathrooms, clean water, and hospitals, people lived very close to dirt. Streets were often muddy. Animals walked beside people. Waste was thrown into open places. Bad smells were part of daily life. People washed, but not always in the way we understand today. In ancient Babylon, around 2800 BCE, people were already making a soap-like substance. They mixed fats with ashes. It was not the soft, sweet-smelling soap we know now. It was rough and simple. At first, people may have used it more for cleaning wool and cloth than for washing the body. Later, the ancient Egyptians also used mixtures of oils, salts, and ash. They cared about cleanliness, beauty, and health. They washed their skin and used scented oils, but still, nobody understood germs. They could see dirt, but they could not see the tiny, invisible living things that caused many diseases. The Romans loved public baths. In Roman cities, bathing became a social habit. People met friends, talked business, relaxed, and washed. But even there, soap was not always the main tool. Many Romans used oil on the skin and scraped it away with a curved metal tool. Cleanliness was important, but the science behind it was still hidden. Then, after the fall of Rome, many parts of Europe changed. Cities became crowded and less organized. Clean water was not always easy to find. Bathing habits became weaker in some places. In medieval Europe, some people even believed that too much bathing could open the body to sickness. This idea sounds strange now, but at the time, fear often replaced knowledge, and while people argued about washing, disease waited quietly. As centuries passed, soap slowly became more common, but it was still not a simple everyday object for everyone. In some places, soap was expensive. It needed oils, fats, ashes, skill, and time. Good soap was often made by trained workers, not by ordinary families. In the Islamic world, soap making became more advanced. Cities such as Aleppo and Damascus became famous for beautiful soaps made with olive oil and laurel oil. These soaps were hard, smooth, and useful. They could be traded, stored, and carried. Cleanliness was also strongly connected to daily life and religious practice, so washing had an important place in society. In Europe, soap making grew slowly in places like Spain, Italy, France, and England. But for many poor people, life was still dirty and dangerous. Crowded towns had narrow streets. Waste ran through gutters. People shared water, tools, beds, and clothing. a small infection could become serious. A fever could move through a neighborhood like a shadow. Then came one of the darkest moments in human history. The Black Death in the 1300s. This terrible plague killed millions across Europe. People did not understand bacteria or viruses. They blamed bad air, punishment, strangers, or unlucky stars. They burned herbs, they carried charms, they prayed, but they still did not fully understand how disease spread. Soap existed, but belief in soap was weak. People could see that it cleaned the skin, but they did not know that washing could remove invisible danger. This is one of the strangest parts of history. The answer was close, but the reason was hidden. Many centuries later, in the 1800s, cities grew fast during the Industrial Revolution. Factories filled the air with smoke. Workers lived in crowded homes. Dirty water caused deadly sickness, especially cholera. Cholera is a disease that can spread through unsafe water and poor sanitation. It could kill quickly, and people were terrified. At the same time, doctors were still learning a hard lesson. Many did not wash their hands between patients. In hospitals, this became deadly. One famous doctor, Ignaz Semmelweis, noticed something shocking in Vienna. When doctors washed their hands with a strong cleaning solution before helping mothers give birth, fewer women died. It sounds obvious today, but at that time, many doctors refused to believe him. They felt insulted. They did not want to hear that their own hands might carry danger. Semmelweis was mocked, ignored, and pushed away. But history was moving. Slowly, the invisible world was about to become visible. In the late 1800s, science finally gave people the missing piece. Louis Pasteur and other scientists showed that tiny living things, called germs, could cause disease. Later, Joseph Lister used this idea in surgery. He cleaned wounds, tools, and hands more carefully. Death rates fell. The lesson became harder to deny. Soap was no longer just a way to smell better. It became part of survival. As cities improved, governments began to understand public health. Clean water, better toilets, safer streets, and hand washing changed daily life. Soap entered homes, schools, hospitals, and factories. A simple act became powerful. Wet your hands, use soap, rub carefully, rinse away the danger. But the strange truth is this: soap did not save civilization because it was magical. It helped because it made people change their habits. It taught humans that small actions matter. Washing hands before eating, cleaning wounds, keeping water safe, protecting children from sickness. These small habits became invisible shields. Even today, soap is one of the cheapest and most important tools in the world. It still protects people from many infections. It still helps hospitals, families, and communities. And during times of illness, the message returns again and again. Wash your hands. The history of soap reminds us that progress is not always loud. Sometimes, civilization is saved not by kings, battles, or machines, but by quiet knowledge. A simple object can carry a deep truth, and perhaps that is the real lesson. People once held soap in their hands, but they did not fully believe in its power. They could see the foam, but not the invisible danger it removed. History often works like this. The truth is near us, but we need time, courage, and evidence to understand it. So the next time you wash your hands, remember this strange journey. Remember the ancient makers, the crowded cities, the ignored doctor, and the scientists who revealed the invisible world. A small bar of soap is more than a household object. It is a piece of human history, and in its quiet way,
the present,
it helped civilization stay
washing
alive.
away the darkness with the light of understanding.